guys, and welcome to a new PEM vlog. I know it's been a while, but on today's adventure we are hiking up to Pico Ruivo, the tallest peak in Madeira, and we're spending the night at a mountain hut there and hopefully catching sunset and sunrise in the highest peaks in Madeira while covered with snow. The last few times we've been up here, it's been very bad weather, but today we have some nice visibility, so we're hoping to throw the drone up and enjoy the weather without getting completely soaked. Let's go.
Did you hear that?
What do you say?
Oh, caralho.
Hiking to Pico Ruivo from the parking lot at Casa de Abrigo. It's only a 3-kilometer hike, and we did this path a few days ago in the snow all the way from the bottom of that hill because the road was closed. So far this hike is way more pleasant than the one we did a few days ago. We even have a little bit of blue sky and some sun, and best of all, no rain. So I'm completely dry. I even took off my puffy, and I think I'm gonna get there with even dry boots. So always something to cheer about. Visibility up here is pretty good, so we're gonna pop the drone up real quick. See if we can get some aerials. This is everything you wanted, huh? This is our 4th time up here in these mountains in the snow, and we've never had more than maybe 2 seconds of visibility. But today we can see everything super clearly, and we're gonna stay at that mountain hut up there for the night and hopefully catch a good sunset. And if we're lucky, get a sunrise up from Pico Ruivo as well. That's it right up there. It's the tallest peak in Madeira and the 3rd highest in Portugal. It's also at this moment that I question why I packed so many sundresses for my Christmas trip to Madeira when clearly no use. Jackson has this thing with this tree that he's been shooting all year. He's got about 5 months worth of photos of this. I'm sure it looks really nice. We just got into our dorm here at the mountain hut, and I'm getting our very important supplies. Bottle of wine, very important. Somewhere we have a deck of cards. Chocolate, never climb without it. And all my jackets and camera gear. Now let's go to the peak. Today there's actually a large group of trail runners here, along with quite a few hikers who've come up to the top here. So masks on, very narrow trail, and we have a perfect cloud inversion. As soon as we left the mountain hut, we got distracted taking photos and videos up on the slope because it is very beautiful, and now have a view of Nuns Valley and the ocean over here. I'm just going to climb this little hill to see if Jackson can get some nice photos. Pico Ruivo, and we just heard our friends calling out to us, so they'll join us for the summit before the sun sets, which is very nice. And our two amigos made it, João and Chris.
What's cracking?
Finally. What's up?
What's up?
Thank you guys.
Welcome to our summit. Cloud inversion, snow, perfect weather.
The boys are here.
I'll take a Toblerone piece, thank you.
I think we will be safe.
Ariero. Is that how it works? Look, it's perfect.
Almost.
From my eye.
From your eyes, perfect.
Yeah, I'll hold it still.
Okay, and I'll get it. Pretty much. Yeah, we nailed it.
Yeah.
But I will put it on.
Ariero.
We have our rations we picked up earlier today, omelet sandwiches.
Save your appetite for tonight, huh?
You brought food?
Surprise.
Whoa! accent. They're all like, oh, we see you on YouTube. Okay, we were all just geeking out because that was the best sunset most of us have seen on Madeira. And now we're just gonna run home for our mountain hut. Our toes and hands are freezing, but we have a warm fire waiting for us, a few ponchos. Apparently Chris brought some food, and I've got chocolate and wine to share. So very excited for that. Let's get back to the hut.
Remember earlier today when you were worried that some of your footage was going to be in 2.7K, not 4K?
Yeah.
Now you're filming on no K.
This is 4K, this is 4K.
Wow, man, it's insane.
Because my Sony battery
4K.
died so quickly.
I come alive.
Dog. Oh, we have three choices.
Finished our hike today, made it back to our summit hut, and now we have chorizo, olives, raclette in the kitchen, and wine, and best of all, a warm fire. And Jackson found his girlfriend.
Watch the world beneath. Oh my child.
After the
Oh
poncho
my
jump, our
child.
chef was also a musician and forgot what the chorizo briefly.
Oh my child. Oh my child. You alone.
Have this beautiful Nemo rave sleeping bag with a bunch of blankets over, and I'm gonna be very warm, very comfortable, the most comfortable of anybody in this mountain hut tonight. Good night, guys. Let's. I will be the most comfortable person in this mountain hut because my sleeping bag is the warmest and most fluffy. But we'll catch you tomorrow morning for sunrise on Pico Ruivo. Good night.
And when you cry, I'll pick you up and hold you close till it's alright.